Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this animated magician filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, go to new. Okay, and on the second row, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and wait for it. Okay, so this is the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for animated magician. Okay, on the third row you will see the effect icon, animated magician. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see a record button. Just tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon, and in this page tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this animated magician filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.